We will show you how to make chicken porridge made with broth from chicken tenders. Steamed rice is cooked in a broth until it becomes very soft and topped with shredded chicken, green onion, and grated ginger. This makes a perfect light meal on a cold day or when you are not feeling well. Full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. Bring water to a boil in a medium pot, add the chicken tenders, and cook until fully cooked. Turn off the heat, remove the chicken, and let it cool a bit. Then shred the chicken into small pieces and set aside. Slice the green onion very thinly and set it aside. And peel and grate fresh ginger. Turn the heat back on to medium heat and season the broth with sake, mirin, soy sauce, salt, and grated ginger. Add the steamed rice and cook for a few minutes until the mixture slightly thickens. This is a great way to use up leftover steamed rice. Serve immediately while hot. Top with some shredded chicken and chopped green onion. Add more grated ginger if you like. This porridge has mild but flavorful broth and seasonings, but you can also add extra ginger or chili oil for kick. Hope you give it a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。